Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today we're going to be changing the gas cap on this Kia Soul. Before we get started, make sure you check out our new store for all the latest merchandise from the Garage USA, including some items that are available for a limited time. Not only do they look great, it also helps support the channel. Now back to the video. Thanks for joining me. So my daughter had an issue with her Kia. She had a check engine light come on. She checked for codes with a code reader. I did come up with an error code. I don't remember it offhand, but I'll display it on screen here. And it could be a variety of things, but one of them is the gas cap. She did tell me that the cap does not make the clicking sound when she closes it. So that just leads me to believe that it is the gas cap. So we're going to go ahead and change it out. It is a tethered gas cap. So we're going to change it out and then see if that fixes the problem. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm going to start by pulling the tether off of the fuel door. That's the tether. And get rid of that. And then here's the new gas cap. We'll just clip the new tether onto the fuel door and twist that on, and there you go. And it makes the clicking sound. That's what it's supposed to do. So now we can reset the check engine light, and then we can fire this up. And that's it. Pretty easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.